Welcome back to another recipe, my fabulous brunchers. This delicious casserole is good for a family meal or for a special occasion at any time of the year. The Dijon mustard adds a depth of flavour to the sauce which goes so well with chicken. Serve this with pasta or potatoes and some veggies. You can customise this recipe by adding a variety of veggies including cabbage and leeks too. Cook a batch of this family favourite and you'll always have a satisfying meal to hand. So let's do this! First, let's gently cook the bacon lardons until crisp, or at least crispish. Then set these aside, keeping that flavourful fat in the pan. Now brown the chicken pieces in said bacon fat. I'm keeping my chicken pieces chunky because that's the way I roll. And set these aside next to the bacon when they're browned. Now add the onions and cook gently until soft in that lovely bacony chickeny juices. We don't need the onions browned. Add the crushed garlic and fry for 30 seconds or so. Then add the white wine and cook, reducing by about a third, scraping the bottom of the pan to deglaze and release that flavour. Add the stock, and pop back the chicken pieces. Pop the lid on the pot and allow the stew to simmer for 10 minutes or so to fully cook the chicken. Before reintroducing the bacon, and adding the mustards, the tarragon, and finally the cream. Mix well and let bubble away to bring to temperature. Before serving with a little extra tarragon, and we're done. Well, I hope you liked this versatile recipe. If so, why not leave a like and maybe subscribe? We have a ton of recipes and other food related vids, so check them out. So until next time, bye!